someone being nosy. I don't like that very much. Cookie's always ringing up. Something keeps hitting. I don't know what the heck that was. Yeah, they got the I hate when they do that. They got the stupid curtains closed. Yeah, so you can't look in here. Well, too bad. I'm looking in here. They can't see nothing. It's dark out. I went came here like 2 hours ago. Maybe, but yeah, they didn't get the fencing. There was a business over here. Yeah, the bad ones. It's that stupid sign. I don't know what's going to happen to this property, but there was a business there, and he closed after being in business for so many years. I shouldn't be doing this. But I ain't got construction area anymore. I got that for use for you, buddy. There's a house. I'm not going to film it though. There's nothing back here, probably just the dock. Yeah. This is just air conditioner, one of them hand pumps, like, you know, you crank it for the snow. I don't know. I assume this building here belongs to them, but I could be wrong. I'm not gonna go. I don't know. I'm probably the most craziest person to do this before it's cold out, but I'm not gonna be here long. I was just gonna film both. I was just gonna do one video about her. I'm not just doing separate videos because this business here moved to a different location, and I thought if I went there, that person, not Jeep, but whatever vehicle that was, I thought they were going to stop and say something. Hey, what are you doing, you know? I just recorded a video, taking photos. I hate being out in this cold, when it's cold, but I do this video too. People hate my videos or like my videos. I don't care. At this point, I'm just ready to get back in the rim truck, and I'm probably the most crazy person to do this, but hey, there was I heard that a church was going to take me for no reason. You know why? It makes no freaking sense. I don't really get frostbite hypothermia. Well, my hat is on. It's not like I'm going to get frostbite or anything. I'm wearing a hat, a coat with gloves and scarf. I need to actually invest in getting me more oh shit, train. Too bad I can't get it. Dang it, no, it's okay. I'm not gonna get down there in time. Shit. What? Norfolk, I guess it would be a Norfolk Southern train. I don't know. If I wasn't filming this, I'd probably be there at the Aerocross and filming that. But that's what keeps hitting. Something up there in that sign. I don't know what the heck it is, but yeah, there's nothing back here. There's a business next door, but they went demolished that. There's two businesses down the street I want to do updates on. I'm not going to bother. It's cold. I'm freezing my butt off. I'm getting back in the truck. I'm sorry, but person can only do so much. Yeah, definitely something up there.